how to set wallpaper on MacBook Air. And okay guys, here in your MacBook Air, okay, go to System Settings. Here in System Settings on left side, go to Wallpaper. Here in Wallpaper, as you can see, the wallpaper is set into Ventura graphic. So you can change the wallpaper by selecting option below. So you can set into dynamic wallpaper, light and dark wallpaper, picture, or color. And okay, so if you select, for my example, I select the Ventura graphic. Okay, here the Ventura graphic, and the Ventura graphic is set into dynamic. If the Ventura graphic is set into dynamic, so this tab picture change throughout the day based on your location. So if you want to set to other, okay, you can click the arrow up and down button on the right side and you can see the option. So you can set the Ventura graphic into light, and also you can change into dark. And I decided to set the Ventura graphic into dark. Okay, that's it. We have successfully set the wallpaper on MacBook Air.